Barnet is a great place to live, work and visit. The excellent schools, vibrant town centres, accessible green spaces and diverse communities all contribute to a popular and family-friendly place where people choose to live. The local plan is the development plan for the borough. It sets out how we will manage growth in Barnet, ensuring that we retain the qualities that make Barnet attractive while also considering the needs of future generations. Responding to the challenges we face today, including climate change and COVID-19 recovery. Setting the framework for decisions on the new homes, jobs and infrastructure such as schools and health facilities that help support Barnet's growth. Shaping our town centres and growth areas such as Brent Cross, Colindale and Edgware as more attractive, family and age-friendly destinations, whilst revitalising major roads such as the Edgware Road and Great North Road as more sustainable and healthy places to live and work. Enhancing and improving access to Barnet's green spaces as places for parks and recreation, and ensuring that biodiversity makes gains from our management of the natural environment. Reducing our reliance on the car for getting around by making sustainable and active travel options such as cycling and walking more accessible. Ensuring we get good growth in the right places and at the right time with high-quality sustainable development that is capable of adaptation to meet the needs of residents over their lifetime, and that the positive benefits of this growth and investment are shared, making the borough more socially and economically inclusive as well as environmentally sustainable. The local plan is a statutory document that works alongside national policy and the Mayor's London Plan. It sets out the Council's vision, objectives and 52 strategic policies, as well as 65 site proposals that help to deliver good growth. If you would like to find out more about the local plan, please visit www.barnet.gov.uk/localplanreview for more information.